Welcome to the Term Extractor tab. This powerful tool helps you automatically identify and extract new terminology from your source content, while filtering out terms you already have in your own bilingual resources. Let's start with source text selection. You have two options here. First, you can extract directly from selected Trados segments. Just select the segments you want in your editor and they shall be processed. Alternatively, you can extract from external files by adding docx, PDF, TMX, or XLIF files to this list. Important note about extraction types. When using Trados segments, the prompt usually decides which term extraction mode you want to proceed with, that is to say monolingual or bilingual term extraction. Now, let's configure the extraction with prompt management. Click Browse to select a folder containing your prompt files. You'll want separate prompts for monolingual and bilingual extraction. All text files in this folder will appear in the available prompts list. When you select a prompt, its content loads here in the configuration box. This gives you full control over how the AI analyzes your text. Remember, the TWAS Assistant plugin comes with two default prompts for monolingual and bilingual term extraction. Next, let's set up our reference resources. Add your termbases here to filter out already known terminology. This prevents the AI from suggesting terms you already have. Then add your translation memories here. These provide contextual examples that help the AI understand how terms are used in real sentences. You can adjust the chunk size. This determines how much text is sent to the AI at once. The default of 3,000 words works well for most documents. Now, you have two processing options. The Start Extraction button uses the manual paste method. It prepares prompts for you to copy and paste into your preferred AI interface. The Start Extraction with API button automatically processes everything using your configured AI provider from the Settings tab. Now let me use the manual way to interact with the AI engine of my choice, and they should all give you the same results, or almost. Now I shall paste the prompt copied already into my clipboard to the AI engine and paste back the reply in the dialog box. Once processing completes, you'll see your results in two tabs. Once processing completes, you'll see your results in two tabs. The New Terms tab shows the extracted terminology with source terms, target suggestions, and contextual examples from your translation memory. I can also have a second pass of sending the new terms to the AI engine. Let us try that now and see what response we shall receive. The Filtered Terms tab shows you what was removed and why, giving you full transparency into the extraction process. Finally, you have several export options. You can export the raw new terms, send them to AI for translation suggestions, export a clean bilingual list, or export only the approved terms that have supporting examples in your translation memory. Whether you're starting fresh with monolingual extraction or building your termbase with verified bilingual pairs, the Term Extractor saves you hours of manual work by automatically identifying new terminology while respecting your existing language assets. If you already have an external monolingual list of terms in a text file, You can use the Term Matcher tab to assist you with matching those terms against your existing bilingual resources. Now we shall add a list of monolingual terms. Then we shall add our term base. Then we shall add our TM or TMs. You can again work manually or using the API settings. Wouldn't this plugin save you hours and hours of manual terminology work?